Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. What a great day! It's a Sunday. A friend of mine is coming. He owns Fz25 and he has completed 15,000 kilometers, but he doesn't want to go to service center because they charge very high labor charges and all those charges. I mean, even I paid around 2,000 for 15,000 kilometer service. So I asked him to come here so that we can change the engine oil here. And I mean, 15,000 kilometer means you don't need to change so many parts. He has bought oil filter, air filter. Air filter will check if at all required, we'll change. Otherwise, we will retain the old one. So we can change the oil, engine oil at home itself. We only need spanners and the new oil. I mean, he's bringing Motul 7100 10W40. Yes, that's what he is bringing. He has already bought it. Then we will just check the chain and all, I mean adjustments. Then chain oil, lubrications, all those things we will do. He has already washed his bike, so there is no need of washing also. So it's only minor checking, and I think that will be enough for 15,000 kilometers. So I am doing 29,000 kilometer, and in another 1,000 kilometer I have to go for servicing. And I'm planning to replace some of the items like clutch cable, throttle cable, if required, fork, oil. Anyway, we'll check that. So he's on the way right now. He'll come soon, and I'll show you how to change the engine oil and all, if at all you want to change it at your home itself instead of going out. You only need to have some spanners. I'll just mention the dimension what you require also. So we'll check. Begin with the service, oil change, then get back to the one. I need help. Right turn ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಾಕು. ಇಂಜಿನ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಾಟ್. We have to open oil filter along with that. Oil filter. Look at the color of oil. Yamalube or Motul? Yamalube. Status of Yamalube. Worst. It actually becomes like that at 2,500 or 3,000 kilometers, not even 5,000. Yamalube is actually very thinner than Motul. ಸೊ ಮೋಟಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಮ್ 100 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ you will definitely notice. It will be more smooth. Motul is always good. Hello? All filter now mandatorily change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು because it will have so many particles, unwanted particles. They will not even ask. Along with oil, they will change by default. Only air filter you have to check. So new air oil filter. What is the cost? Cost is how much? 175 rupees. Okay. So we'll put it back. .35 and you are replacing the oil filter. Bad actually. Bad. Now we will remove air filter. That will take some time. We'll have to open this seat. Then we need mostly this one, 8 mm. Then we have to remove all the screws here. Okay. ಓ ಇದು ಕಿತ್ತೋಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ yes. So now that's it. Dual. Here they have mentioned, don't clean it, just replace it. That's our air filter right there. It's gone. We'll have to replace. They have mentioned here insert, and one arrow mark is also there.
Okay.
So it must go like this only. It must shouldn't be like this. You can actually check the sound also without that. That's how the sound will change. If you insert that K and N, no, same sound will come. Now check the sound. Already changed. So what we will do is we will open the chain, front chain sprocket cover. Huh?
Air filter exhaust.
Ah. Inlet.
Okay.
The smaller one. We will open the front sprocket cover. I think I opened this one, not required.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Chain lube ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ continuous ಆಗಿ. All stored there.
We'll have to clean that. You have not changed the chain sprocket, right? 15,000, not required. Okay.
After how many kilometers?
Depends on the teeth here.
Okay.
ಅದು ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ 20,000. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಟೀತ್, ಶಾರ್ಪ್ನೆಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ,
Right. I can see that.
ತುದಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಈವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಡ್ಜಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 20,000
Camera full ಮಾಡಿ.
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. At 20,000 you can change. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. That's what I'm talking about. You have to clean it. I mean, you cannot remove it regularly.
Seriously?
But say last 10,000 kilometers ಅವರು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Even in service center they don't open this one. Look at that. If they open it, no, they would have cleaned it. It is not just of 5,000 kilometers. It is from the beginning. Cake.
Chocolate mousse.
Never keep it here, okay? It will go in. It will destroy both your some brush and teeth. I had done that once. Not with this one, the toothbrush. Fortunately, it was toothbrush. Completely destroyed brush. Here you can keep, because it will block here. No? You can do like that. Even here also. ಕೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಲೇಟರ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಟೋಟಲ್. Okay, so oil lubrication is done. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ. ಸರಿ ಇದೆ, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟಿದೆ.